Yo, haha, Miltnificent. What is good, YouTube? Your boy Miltnificent coming back with another quick video. And today I wanted to go real quick over the whole Yeezy YS-02 Slide. I mean, it released, but unfortunately, you know what? Something happened, right? So we know about the whole YS-01, you know about the EVA foam, one mode upper where it has those shark-like design, kind of gives you that bounce back effect each step you take. And this is very comfortable because it's giving you that whole heel to toe support specifically towards the footbed of the actual slide. So this became kind of famous over time because a lot of people, you know, when this first came out, people were looking at it like, oh, this is terrible, terrible design. But then over time, when you actually put it on, you realize how comforting it was. It took the world by storm. So, you know, the whole YS-01 series or the Yeezy series is, you know, was hit and miss at first. And then eventually people started to kind of tag along. But then there was rumors that there was a second version that would be coming out. And, you know, it did come out on the Yeezy.com website. Small recap, though. Your boy actually, you know, reviewed the whole BL01 shoe. I felt like this is probably going to be my top 5 shoe of the year. I don't know where it ranks yet because obviously the year is still early and there's been a significant amount of, I want to say, pickups that I've had over time. So keep that in mind. And then also, don't sleep on this shoe, the AQ01, at least the Aqua Slides, because of its multi-purpose, where you can use this kind of like a traditional shoe if you want. But if you're going to the beach and things like that, you can simply just take out this comfortable insert, man. This polyurethane, this thing is so good, it's so thick, but definitely serves a purpose, and I kind of like this. But I want to get to the whole mishap with the whole YS-02. So I did a review on a YS-02. Obviously, if you purchased your slide for the first time when it first came out, a lot of people noticed that. You got an email that said, we sent the wrong size, etc., etc. We're going to send you another one. Keep the wrong size, and then we'll ship you another one at no cost. And I'm here to say that was the case. Now, this is kind of similar to the whole YS-01 Slide in terms of the Yeezy. The difference is that they got rid of the shark fins and gave you more of like a wavy length design, if that makes sense, in terms of the outsole. So you're not going to get that bounce back effect, but I felt like this is actually as plush, if not plusher, and more plush than the actual first Yeezy Slide. That was my first impression when I put it on. The difference is I never had the correct size until now. So let's open this bad boy up. You can see right here. Big difference obviously in the box just because of the size. This is a size 7 in men's, whereas this is a size 13. This is my original size. You'll see some video feeds momentarily of me just trying it on. I'm not going to take too much of your time, but real quick, I just want to show you that, yes, this is all EVA foam. Same one molded upper. But here we go. This is perfect. Now, usually it comes kind of on the bottom right here where you can see the sizing tag information, but they also have sizing on the inside of these slides. You should be getting your order. If you're one of those ones that got affected and you got the wrong Yeezy Slide, I think over time you're going to start seeing the corrected orders shipped to you. So this is true. It is not a gimmick, and they shipped this absolutely, well, kind of free, but the first one was free, and this is what you paid for. So let me open this up real quick. My first impressions in seeing this, again, when you look at the whole YS, and these are both size 13, you look at the design in terms of the top, it's definitely, it's similar to a certain point, I think, with the YS-01, that there was more of a bump towards the footbed that kind of had more of a rest, whereas this is more like flat-footed, but you do have arc support towards the middle. I kind of covered that on my previous video, but in seeing this for the first time, finally, got the correct size. And let me just put this on real quick because actually, I'll put the video on, and then honestly, you know what? I'm just curious. I gotta do the foot test just to see which one do I think is better. I'm gonna do it live for you guys. I'll put the YS-01 on the right side, and I'll do the YS-02 on the left to give you my opinion. You'll see a video right here. I feel like you're going to feel more, you'll feel more of a bounce back, but it'll feel more plush on the Yeezy Slide, the original Slide. But this actually feels like a traditional slide. The one thing I will say, I think because of the top portion of the slide, you have more of a lockdown effect than you have with the first Yeezy rendition. I felt like because it was so high off the ground and by design, it kind of curves up. Here, I'll show you real quick. Because this curve, you can see right here, it kind of curls up, that, you know, you have more play towards the I want to say the footbed, or at least the forefoot of your foot. But here, I think because it has this round shape, your foot feels more contained, but you still have that plush feeling when you put the whole Yeezy Slide on. Comment below. Let me know real quick, what do you think about the whole YS-02 series? Are you going to be happy with the fact that you got your correct size, or at least your correct size should be coming, depending on when you're watching this video? One molded EVA upper kind of gives this thing so much bounce and so much comfort. But I will say this, if you're going to wear these during the summer, do not leave this out in the sun. Because if you do, and you're at like some type of swimming party or pool party, beach, whatever the case is, and the sun is like just beaming down on the EVA foam, this has a chance to warp or shrink. I don't want that happening to you guys unless you're trying to intentionally do it because you felt like the size you got was too big. So either you're throwing it in the dryer or you're leaving it out in the sun. But because of the color of it and the fact that it's EVA foam, the material itself usually warps over time. So just be careful. That's all I have to say. But your boy Miltnificent, man, the correct size for the Yeezy YS-02. I'm telling you right now, man, look at this. Look at this. And I know a lot of people can say, oh man, it bends, it bends. Yes, it'll wrinkle up right here. You can see what I'm doing right now. It's going to wrinkle up, but over time, it'll take its shape or take its form back to its original state. So just keep in mind, that's something that I have noticed, that yes, when you bend this and you're pushing it all over the place, this definitely has, it's elastic. But it's definitely going to be there in terms of the actual wrinkles and stuff like that. But again, over time, it'll go away once it kind of retakes its form. But your boy Miltnificent, man, do that quick on feet for the correct size on the Yeezy YS-02. Looking forward to this. I am out, and you guys stay blessed.